Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Sharp here. Now today I'm going to share a wintry story with you today. Now that seems a little bit strange because we are not in the winter season anymore. Does anybody know what season we're in? That's right, we're in spring. Spring is a beautiful season. It's where the new flowers start to grow, the baby chicks and lambs are being born, and new life is all around us. But the reason why I'm sharing a wintry story with you today is because I have just done a science experiment with Olivia and Charlie about keeping bears' feet dry. So after this story, if you want to head on over to the science experiments page and you can do the experiment too. So this book is called Brown Bear, Snow Bear. Let's begin. It was cold. It was starting to snow. Toby walked Brown Bear round the garden. "Do you like the snow, Brown Bear?" asked Toby. "It's getting dark and I must go inside, but you can stay outside, Brown Bear. You can stay and watch the snow." All night long, the snow fell whilst the moon looked on. In the morning, the garden was white. Even before breakfast, Toby went looking for Brown Bear. But he couldn't see him. Instead, in the place where Toby had left him, there was a soft, white snow bear. "Hello, Snow Bear," said Toby. "Have you seen Brown Bear? He has ears exactly like yours." But the Snow Bear didn't answer. The Snow Bear had no eyes. Toby made him some. He poked 2 tiny holes in the snow face. 2 brown eyes appeared. "Have you seen Brown Bear?" asked Toby. "He has eyes exactly like yours." But the Snow Bear didn't answer. The Snow Bear had no mouth. Toby made him a mouth. He smudged a mouth and a nose. A wet black nose appeared. "Are you sure you haven't seen Brown Bear?" asked Toby. "He has a black nose just like yours." But the Snow Bear didn't answer. Instead, he held out his paws. "Shall we make friends, Snow Bear?" asked Toby. "I'm sure you would like Brown Bear. He has paws exactly like yours." And Toby shook the Snow Bear's paws. 2 brown paws appeared. "Would you like breakfast, Snow Bear?" asked Toby. "I'm sure Brown Bear wouldn't mind." Then he lifted up the Snow Bear. There was a little flurry of snow fur and a cold Brown Bear appeared. "Hello, Brown Bear," said Toby. "Have you seen Snow Bear?" And that's the end of the story. So finally, he was reunited with Brown Bear. But where had Snow Bear gone? Tell your grown-up what you think happened in that story. Was there a Brown Bear and was there a Snow Bear? What do you think? So now, if you head on over to the science page, the science playlist, we are going to make some little wellies to keep Brown Bear dry. If you want to check out that science experiment, then please do. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.